Hey guys, please excuse my unkempt hair and very slapdash appearance, but I just got a package from the good people at Sennheiser, and I thought I'd do a fun little unboxing video. I just found out this morning, I got an email saying that it was delivered yesterday apparently, and so I thought, oh my god, and so I rushed down to get it, and I thought, well, why don't I do like an unboxing video, you know, like one of those big YouTuber, you know, unboxing videos, you know what I mean? Anyway, we got a lot of paper, nice. Oh, that's a lot of, it's a big snake of a paper. It just keeps going. This is like one of those magicians like pull string or scarves out of his sleeve. What? It just keeps going. Okay, and now we come to this. Okie dokie. Here we are, Sennheiser MKH416 P48U3. Out you come. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a side open. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh yeah. Sennheiser, baby. If you guys don't know, Sennheiser is a leading brand in the world of audio equipment. They do microphones, they do headphones, they do a bunch of different things. And this microphone, the MKH416, is an industry standard in the filmmakers and also the voiceover community. And, oh yeah, little instruction manual. Oh my goodness. Oh, very cool. So something that comes out here is this is the frequency response of the microphone. So all of these different things, these are different frequencies. Like, you know, you have bass, woo, and treble, ah, and those are higher and lower frequencies. And this shows you how well it responds in terms of picking up those different frequencies. And so that's very cool, actually. I really like that. And this, my friends, is the microphone. That's it. Oh my God, this is so cool. These are little, I don't know if you can see, but this is the 3-prong. This is a studio microphone. Any studio microphone is gonna have that sort of 3-prong outlet. Show you how it looks on the inside. So, just trying to keep it from falling out. So, you have microphone, and then in here is the little shock mount, and then this is the windshield. So this just slides onto the microphone. You see, what this microphone is actually designed for is for boom operators on film sets. So it's something that they would hold, and then you see this pattern. Let's talk about polar patterns for a second. So the microphone that is currently in my home studio is a Neumann TLM-103, and that is a cardioid pattern, which means that so if this is the microphone and this is the area of sensitivity, it faces me, the general area of sensitivity that it responds is just what's in front. And then what it doesn't respond to is what's behind. And that is a cardioid pattern. I'm doing a very bad job of explaining it. This microphone is a super cardioid, which means that it has a sort of beam of sensitivity that is just right in front. And so with the cardioid, like my microphone in my studio, you can move to the side, you can move over here, and it'll generally still pick you up at the same strength. Whereas this one, you have to be really in front of exactly where this microphone is pointing. Come on, get in there. I need lube. What? Here we have the shock mount. Come on you go. There we go. And that's it pretty much. Let's test it out. Before we go into the studio, something I just noticed is that they have something that's pretty cool. This gold thing is an adapter. So if you have like a smaller end piece for your microphone mount, this will allow you to screw it on. So I think what you're supposed to use, I don't know if you can see, but it has these little notches outside, so you could use like a coin, I think, to unscrew it. I don't have a coin anywhere, but I'm gonna use my key. And this is gonna go back in the box. We are gonna save that for later. Here we go. Woohoo! Look at it go! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Okay, guys. So I got the microphone. By the way, that's my little Bowtruckle right there. It's just a little thing from the Fantastic Beasts universe. Anyway, so this is how I have the microphone set up. It's pointed directly to my voice. That's the way the sensitivity works of a super cardioid microphone, as I said. And now I'm going to switch into my microphone audio as I put on my headphones. And so I'm going to hear at the same time as you guys. So here we go, guys. La la la, ooh. Hello, baby. Guys, this microphone is extraordinary. I don't know if you can tell, but if I'm gonna move to the side, la 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 la. As I move to the side, its beam of sensitivity becomes less strong because I'm not directly in front of it. So yeah, and so that would be different with my Neumann microphone because that's just a cardioid and it would generally pick up more of the area in front of me. But I love the way that it's very focused, it's very piercing, and that's why people love this microphone because it just, when your voice is picked up on one of these microphones, it kind of cuts through any other audio, any other like background noise. It's really popular, I think, for commercial work in particular. But I am, wow. I want to do a side-by-side. Okay, I'm going to try to do like a side-by-side with my Neumann microphone, maybe in another video, so we can see like the difference in how it, maybe slight different tonality and how it picks up my voice. But I am super happy with the way I sound on this. Oh, this is awesome. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be definitely doing more voiceover content. Just to show you guys about like what my job is like. But yeah, big thanks again to Sennheiser for gifting me this extraordinary microphone, and I will be making more stuff. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you want me to talk about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.